Hey there guys, Tsong here. Welcome back to my channel. Sorry if I have not uploaded. Enough with the excuses. It's all my fault. I've been very busy. But I'll make it to the point that I'll come back. Yeah, slowly but surely I'll come back. So speaking of coming back, let's start with this. So if you guys are familiar with NBA Top Shots, it's like NBA card collecting, so but it's fully digital or NFT. um if you're following me on my social media pages, you can see there that I've been collecting NBA cards. And yeah, and this is an official website that is licensed by the NBA. So this is the NBA Top Shot. And yeah, my favorite team is the Knicks. I'm really happy on how the Knicks are playing right now. Uh, and yeah, we are lucky enough to have a pack. And for today's video, we are going to open a pack. So I bought this pack like a month ago. I actually forgot that I bought something. So yeah, let's open the pack. Yeah, this is only a cheap pack. It's only $9. This is actually my first purchase on the site, and hopefully we will get some cool stuff. And yeah, let's proceed. Okay, let's open this pack. This is just a common pack, guys, but maybe, wow, nice. Maybe we'll get something nice with the music vibes. Let's start with the far right. Okay. Ooh, Aaron Gordon with the dunk. Nice, bro. I hope he ends well with the Nuggets. Nice. Nice. It's a cool thing. But they lost on this game. This is a base set, guys. Numbered 8,000 plus out of 35,000. Not bad for a $9 pack. Let's start here. Pacers. Justin Holiday. Steal with the dunk. And they lost on this game as well. Look at this. 102 versus the Raptors. Fair enough. Okay. It's also 35,000. We got 23,000 out of 35,000. Not expecting too much from this common pack, but I hope the middle one is actually good. So let's reveal. Marvin Bagley the third. Okay. Nice dunk. They also lost on this game. Oh my god. What a losing streak. I don't have any idea if it matters. It's also 35,000 limited edition. We got the 1,200. Fair enough. I'm kind of happy with this pack. I hope that I can, get some more packs. This is just my first time. And yeah, I do hope that you enjoyed the video. And I think that will be all. And if you have any questions with collecting and stuff, feel free to hit me up on my social media pages. They're down below. Yeah, I hope that you guys stay safe and peace.